most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Clock is running. Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Because
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
Today we're
Bob.
going to talk about 5 exercises that are terrible for your back. This is based on the work of Dr. Stuart McGill. I know some of you will not agree with this video. Tough. That's I mean, this is based on really heavily done research. This guy, he doesn't leave any stone unturned. I mean, he really goes at it.
This is his life.
Yeah, this is his life.
Right.
By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go to our website, bobandbrad.com, because we're always giving something away.
Yes.
What are we giving away? We don't know, because this is a future video. We're going to show this one in the future. But you can also find it on Bob and Brad on Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page. Want a short version of us, go to Instagram or Twitter. We have a 60-second version of our program there every day, so you don't have to listen to us as much, just like our wives don't. All right, so the first exercise, and I think this one's not controversial. Most people know this one. Brad, do you want to show it?
Sure, I'll show
Have you hurt your back doing this? No, it's full sit-ups with either a straight leg raise or with the knee bent. Either way is bad.
So, yeah, we're talking about, this is very traditional. When I was in grade school, this was the way everyone had to do
and they would measure how many you could do in a minute or whatever.
Yeah, that was
so
very
this
traditional.
is very hard on the disc, very hard on the low back. If you bend your knees just as bad, that's not helping at all either. All right, Brad, I don't want you to hurt your back here. So next one.
People are going to ask, how do we do them? We do have videos on how to do core exercises.
Yeah, core exercise without hurting your back.
Right.
So this is the one that surprised Brad today, but he did extensive studies on this, measuring the pressures in the low back.
Yeah, I didn't do them, Dr.
Dr.
McGill did.
McGill did. So here's the Superman pose. So you're up like this with Superman, but you're also bringing your legs up like this.
Sure.
Really high compressive forces on the low back. I know this is very common. Brad, I think we actually even mentioned this in a video.
Oh yeah, I think it does do a good job of strengthening the muscles, but the negative part is it puts a lot of stress on the spine.
And it shows you that we're evolving too. We're willing to learn. We don't know everything, and as we learn, we pass it on to you. Next one, again, not a big surprise here, Brad. This is toe touches. So you try to lean forward and touch your toes. It's a little better if you can keep your back straight and go down and go all the way down, but it's really just not good for your back.
There are so many other better alternatives, and we do have videos on those too. We're not going to talk about them now, but we do, and maybe we should make some more. But yeah, that's
the whole thing with toe touches. What are you trying to accomplish? One, you're trying to stretch your hamstrings usually,
right?
But a lot of people are trying to stretch their low back, and you don't want to stretch your low back like that. You want to keep it stable and like a good solid core,
right?
So next one kind of falls along the same line as the windmill. You have people doing toe touching like this,
right?
And now you're bending and twisting, which is even harder on your back. So it's harder on the disc.
Right. And again, there's argument if you keep your back straight and you hinge at the hips, it's
vast majority of people aren't going to be able to do it correctly.
Right,
and even if they do, it's still a lot of torque if you think about the physics of it. You're putting the I don't know, you were a physics guy, but it puts a lot more stress on the low back.
Right.
So.
I agree with all that, Bob.
Okay. Next one too.
Oh.
Little bit controversial, but again, there's an easier way to do it. Is a double leg raise. So I'm down like this, and I'm lifted up like this. It just puts too much torque. Great way for working the core, but too much too much torque on the low back.
Right.
Now, alternative is you put your hands underneath here to give you some support to the low back.
Right.
And instead of doing double, just do single ones, going back and forth like this. I do these all the time.
Yeah, the bicycle ride.
Yeah, the bicycle ride.
Right.
I even do a little bit of head going up like this at the same time.
Sure. Right.
That's a good workout.
Yeah.
That'll work the front abdomen, the abdomen, and it'll start to stabilize that core.
Do you exercise like this at home or?
In a tie, yeah. I like to always look good when I'm working out. I'll go to the gym and I'll work out like this with my shirt on.
I just say that because we get comments.
Sometimes I wear a full suit. I like to wear a tux even. So
You're killing me, Bob.
remember, Brad and I are not just pretty.
We're pretty ugly.
No, we're pretty helpful.
killing
And
me.
you want to subscribe to us. Thanks for watching.